Hello again. In the last video, we learned how to split a string into two different elements using split method. But what if we want to combine two strings together? Let's say now we have converted it to two different strings. So if we want to access the first string, we use index. Say string. We want to use the first element. Okay, this is the first element, right? But how if we have two different strings and we want to concatenate, we want to combine those two strings into one string, and we want to add a comma. So we just concatenate the string. Let's say 0 plus. Yes, it's a simple plus. This is not a arithmetic plus. This is a string plus. Plus string 1. Let's try it. Okay, now because we split it, you add comma, red. So you red and comma, red and apple, and then we print the first element is red, and we combine first and second element. It will be red, comma, apple. So those are the functions that you need to know if you want to learn toward test automation. But sometimes you are given the problem that you have been given a string and you want to reverse the string. How? You want to reverse the string? There are no reverse method in Python array, but there is a reverse method in Python list. So let's say we have this red. We want to combine this string 0, but we want to we need to convert it into list. Just declare, and then just the list method and use string 0. So you can see that it is this string red is being converted into list, so then we can use the reverse method. So we can reverse the string, pick it up, and then how do we combine it? If we want to convert it into a string, we need to access every element in this list and create a new string. So we just declare empty string and using for. We will discuss about for in another video. In okay, now we can see that this is our first split array, and this is our first element, and this is the element we convert into list, and this is the reverse of the list, and this is the final string. That's all for today. See you next video.